Most people after reading the title of the video might be thinking,
oh, these are general terms. I already know English. I know what they mean. It's a useless video. Why do I even have to watch it?
wait, hold on. Can you tell the difference between style and fashion? See? There. In the previous video, we discussed what is fashion from the community's perspective, from the industry's perspective, and from an individual's perspective. In this video, we will be discussing the basic meaning of style and fashion, all the while covering terms like fashion styling and styling in general. So without any further ado, let's hop into the video. So, what is style? Style is a typical feature or characteristics of a garment, accessory, a product, or for an individual for that matter that makes it stand out from the others. For example, I love her style of carrying herself. His taste and style in paintings is what he's admired for. Style is a general term which is used to define mannerism, unique characteristics, and distinct features. So, what is styling? If this is style. Style is a way of presenting a product or fashion for commercial purposes. It's a way of organizing and bringing things together to form a composition so that it looks appealing to the. Styling is all about combining and bringing together various elements to form a composition. Styling, when done in the field of retail, becomes visual merchandising, and when styling is done in the field of fashion, it becomes fashion styling. Fashion styling is finding, coordinating, arranging, combining, and organizing the elements of fashion together to form a composition for commercial purposes, particularly for a particular set of audience. Fashion styling is highly done for the purpose of enhancing sales. I hope this video was really useful to you. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment down below if you loved the video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye!